This is the Circle of Fifths lecture. In the key of F major, you use the notes from the F major scale. In A minor, you use the notes from the A minor scale. In B flat major, you use the notes from the B flat major scale. These are all different, but they are related, and some of them are more close than others. C major and F major share all the notes except for B and B flat. These are related keys because all of the other notes are the same. C major and A major are really similar as well, but they've got three different notes. They've got C sharp, F sharp, and G sharp in A major, and C, F, and G in C major, which are different. C major and F sharp major are really different. They only share one note. These are more distant keys. One way of showing which keys are more distant than others is by drawing a circle of fifths. The closer together they are on the circle, the more related they are. Like a clock, there are 12 points around the circle, but instead of 1 to 12, they go 1 to 6 and then backwards again. One side is sharps and the other side is flats. The first one is C. That has got no sharps or flats in it. The key signature of C major is just the clef. It doesn't have any sharps or flats. The next one round is G. That's got one sharp, an F sharp. The key signature for G major has an F sharp in it. The next key round is D major. That's got two sharps in it. Those are F sharp and C sharp. The next key round is A major. That's got three sharps in it. Those are F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. The next key round is E major. That's got four sharps in it. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. We're getting further away from C major. The next key round is five sharps, B major. Those are F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. The final sharp is F sharp major with six sharps. Those are F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, and E sharp. Let's go to the flats. F major has just one flat, B flat. That's what its key signature looks like. B flat major has two flats, B flat and E flat. E flat major has three flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat. A flat major has four flats, B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. D flat major has five flats. They are B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat. G flat major has six flats, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, and C flat. Now, G flat and F sharp are the same note, okay? So F sharp major and G flat major have got six sharps and six flats each. Those are all the major key signatures. What does the image show? Relative minor. I want you to remember that image. Every major key has a relative minor, which shares the same key signature as that major key. Find the relative minor by counting down three semitones from the major key. So we're going from C to find the relative minor. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, down to A minor. We found the relative minor of C by counting down three semitones. We can compare the key signatures. There are no sharps or flats in either C major or A minor. Let's try to find the relative minor of G major. 1, 2, 3. You can see if you can count down the semitones, it's easy to find. And really importantly, they share the same key signature. Now, if we know what the major keys are for the circle of fifths, which we do now, we can find the relative minors for the circle of fifths as well. Test yourself on these questions.